Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm super happy to have everyone here. So for this bag review episode guys, we are going to up our bag review and we are going to make it more fun and exciting, just like our bag battles wherein we have done a couple of reviews where I have pitted Louis Vuitton versus Louis Vuitton. So for this bag review, the title of this one is That's Hot or That's Not. So for the very first episode, what we are going to review is the Fall/Winter 2021 bags of Louis Vuitton, both for men's and women's. So come and let's have fun guys. Hi guys, Ron here, your suking budgetarian fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I am inviting you to join our growing family by clicking this cute little icon here so you could easily subscribe and officially I can welcome you to our growing family. Give me the thumbs up and also guys, please hit that notification bell. Please do follow me also on Instagram.com/Ramira5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so like what I mentioned, this would be a super fun episode and bag review. But again guys, I know we have differences of opinion, so let's be kind to each other. So this is just for fun and let's do some bag reviews. So for this episode and bag review, what we are going to review is the Fall/Winter 2021 collection of Louis Vuitton, both for men's and women's. But guys, what we are going to concentrate on would be the unique and quirky bags of Louis Vuitton. Let us begin. So for bag number one, it's the can bag for the women's collection. So this one at LouisVuitton.com, it's priced at $38 or $3,800 US dollars. So I have actually reviewed this one on my Louis Vuitton versus Louis Vuitton. So I'm going to link it up here and put it on the description box. Kindly watch that one after this episode. So anyway, so for this bag, the reason I wanted to review this one because this is also one of the unique and quirky bags that Louis Vuitton has come up for their Fall/Winter 2021 collection. So for this one is another take of the can bag, but during my review with the Louis Vuitton bag battles, unfortunately I tend to like more the classic can bag wherein it comes with the top handle. So for this one, because yes, it is cute, it is such a good conversation piece, but I felt that the price of $3,800 US dollars would be too much for me. Although yes, it comes with two different straps, so it comes with the gold chain strap and a leather strap. And unfortunately, I just can't get over the price of $3,800 US dollars for me. And like what I mentioned, I am a top handle kind of person wherein I would definitely, it would be a bonus for me if a bag would come with a top handle. So for bag number one, this one unfortunately is the rating is That's Not. Alright, the next bag, again from the Fall/Winter 2021 collection under the women's collection. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this guys, so please forgive me. It's the Pochette Tête. At LouisVuitton.com, it's priced at $2,720 US dollars. So again guys, this collection is a collaboration with the famous and world-renowned artist FORNASETTI, which he is, I like his homeware design. But for this specific bag, when I have seen this at LouisVuitton.com, yes, actually, if you have been following me on Instagram, I do love a good quirky bag. But I'm going to be honest with this one. I'm not really sure how I feel about this bag. I'm not really sure if I am a fan of the what do you call this? The face or the statue-looking face at the front of the bag. Yes, it comes with two top handles. It comes with a monogram longer strap and gold chain strap. I think as the model is wearing this one here, it looks big enough to be able to fit most of the essentials. Me personally, that I would need, this is big enough for me. But honestly guys, I am not a fan of this design. I'm going to make this quick. So actually this comes with two designs. I'm going to put another video here for the same style of bag. I believe it comes in, you know, the front part is lighter color, then on the other side it would be on a different color. But for me, I'm not really sure. This is totally different from the Louis Vuitton DNA. That's why for me, guys, I think this is a trend, and I'm giving this bag rating as a that's not. Right, bag number 3, still under the Louis Vuitton x FORNASETTI collection, would be FORNASETTI collar pouch, priced at $1,220 US at LouisVuitton.com. So this one, this resembles like the kirigami pouch. The only difference is you could entirely open the 4 flaps of the bag, and you would be surprised because what's inside are color pencils. If we are going to close the bag, so this is one of the better prints of this collection, the coin print, which is on top of the classic monogram canvas. But guys, OMG, again, just like bag number 2, I can't get over the price tag of $1,220 for a color pencil pouch. What do you think, guys? Is it just me? Am I being a cheapskate on this one? But for this one, I'm not really sure. If I would be aiming for a kirigami type of bag, then definitely I would just be purchasing the kirigami, wherein I would be getting 3 pochettes, versus this one wherein I would be getting 1, and inside would be color pencils. And again, the color pencils, I think it only has 12 pieces. With the price tag, I wish they added more. So for the FORNASETTI color pouch, definitely this is a that's not. Alright, so now let's move on to the men's collection designed by Virgil Abloh for Fall/Winter 2021. And the very first bag is the Louis Vuitton coffee cup. So priced at $2,230 US at LouisVuitton.com. So this one, this is a good kind of quirk. Actually, for Virgil's latest collection, for the Fall/Winter 2021, I have a mixed review. But for this one, I really do like it. Actually, I haven't done a bag review, but this does resemble my garbage bag from Moschino, but I'm going to put a photo here for reference. That's why maybe I'm a little bit biased with this design. What I love about this bag, of course, so it comes with the monogram canvas with leather trim. There's a huge writing of white Louis Vuitton font in front. I believe this is a good size. I'm not really sure if it could fit a huge iPhone, but hopefully it does. I like that the leather shoulder strap is not vachetta. You know how much I don't like vachetta, so good job for not using vachetta on this coffee cup bag. So this one, I really like the quirk. I really like that it would be a good conversation piece. Price-wise, $2,300, not bad. So for the coffee cup bag, I would be rating it as that's hot. Alright, so the next one, guys, this is not actually a bag, so let's do a little bit of mix because this really caught my attention. So it's an accessory, so it's the Louis Vuitton eraser necklace, priced at, guys, can you believe this? $810 US at LouisVuitton.com. So looking at the photos, guys, I believe this is not just a necklace because I can see that the model is wearing this as a brooch. So there must be a pin at the back part of the bag where you could wear it multiple times. So this one, guys, the reason why I wanted to put this here, so again, it falls under our quirky and unique pieces of Louis Vuitton on their Fall/Winter 2021 collection. But guys, OMG, so I am a fashion designer, and to be honest, whenever I'm working, I don't really wear the eraser that I'm using on my necklace. And I couldn't see any purpose of me as a designer having an eraser here. So is it just me? Am I not just getting the design concept here? But I would give props maybe for a good idea. But you know, for the price of $810 for a Louis Vuitton eraser necklace, no, no, no. I'm giving this that's not. Alright, so since we are doing a little bit of accessories, let's move and discuss another accessory from the Virgil's men's collection. So again, this is the Louis Vuitton marker necklace, priced at $955, and it is in stock. Can you believe it? At VUITTON.com. So I'm guessing the reason why this is unstocked because OMG. So maybe guys, so it says here marker. So I'm guessing this is not a ball pen or sign pen or an ink pen. So this is a marker. Let's check the video out. So this one is a necklace. So there's a Louis Vuitton logo. It's color green. So I'm not really sure if it comes, if the color of the ball pen comes in different colors, but as you can see, the good thing about this one is that the entire body of the pen, the green one, you would see that hopefully it's an engraving of the Louis Vuitton logo. But again guys, I cannot get over the price regardless if this is a marker or a ball pen. So if I'm not a luxury collector of pens, maybe other people would like this, but for me this would be a little bit too much of an accessory. I'm not sure what you're going to do if the pen runs, if the ink runs out. So for this one, this is a major that's not. Right, so moving on to the men's fall winter 2021 is the litter bag, priced at $2,670 at LouisVuitton.com. So this one, I really like when I have seen this on the runway and have seen the actual photos at the website. So hopefully, I'm not really sure. Well, green is cute right now. It's the in color. Like for example, Bottega's color is so good with green. So I'm not really sure if they're doing that as well. So this is a different color. But me personally, I would have like maybe a darker color. What I like about this bag, so again, we are referring to unique and quirky style. So this falls under that category. So I like the white leather top handle. So good that, I love top handle. Then it comes with fully detachable white shoulder strap. And the shoulder strap is fully adjustable. So that is nice. So if we are going to see the size of this one, it's quite huge for me because as you know, I'm such a fan of micro bags. So this is really big already for me. It looks like a shopping tote or a shopping bag. I'm not sure why they're calling it the litter bag. I'm not really sure, but I like the style. I like how you open it. When you open it, it's like you're opening a doctor's bag. I like the idea for this one. It looks good also if, for example, you are going to detach the shoulder strap. And again, we love to style our bags depending on our style. So definitely you could style this up with a super chunky chain. There. So this one, for the litter bag, I'm giving it that's hot. Alright, so moving on. So another accessory from the men's collection fall winter 2021 is the carrot pouch, priced at $1,330. So currently it's out of stock at LouisVuitton.com. So OMG guys, so what do you feel about this very quirky accessory for your bag? So as we know, me personally, I do love a good accessory for a bag. I have micro bags that you could turn into a bag charm. So I have one from my Micro Fendi Baguette, and I also have one from my vintage Louis Vuitton. So of course, this is a different quirky. Like I'm going to be honest, this one is a little bit too out there. I feel like what I mentioned earlier, this is going way beyond the Louis Vuitton DNA. The price is $1,300. I feel yes, there is a zipper, but I'm not really sure what you could fit in it. Maybe coins or maybe a few loose bills. When zooming on this one, guys, you would see the leaves of the carrot. So of course, this is made of genuine leather. But if you are going to attach this to a bag, then definitely the leaves would be falling down like this. And if you're going to zoom in, you are going to see that the leather is already creasing. So that is not a good sign for me. It's quirky, but to be honest, if I would be doing this much of a quirk, then definitely I would perhaps be going to the brand Moschino. You know how much I love Moschino. So for this one, I'm not really sure, but definitely I'm rating this one as a that's not. Alright, second to the last bag, Virgil's collection. So this is the newspaper pouch, priced at $2,010 US dollars. So currently it is out of stock. So this one, so looking at the photo, so this has a good size on it. So it's made of genuine leather. It's very unique. And if you are going to take a look closely at the bag, so you could actually open it just like a newspaper and then fold it in half, and it would, when you fold it in half, guys, this would resemble the double zip pochette. So I love the writing. Although this one, what do you think, guys? Is it definitely this is not a classic Louis Vuitton bag. This is definitely on the quirk side. It's fun, guys. It is fun. It's cute. It's a good conversation piece. It's different. I love the writing. So if you get bored, perhaps you could also read what they have written. So it may actually be interesting what they have actually written on the newspaper bag. So for this one, my rating is definitely that's hot. Alright, the last bag for today is the pizza box, priced at $2,090 US dollars at LouisVuitton.com. So the size and shape of this one is an actual pizza box. So this is made of monogram canvas. So there is also a writing here. What do you think, guys? So again, the price is how much again? So the price is $2,000 US dollars. The lining of this one, so I'm not sure, so I think the lining is just like the toiletry lining where it is wipeable. So it is a good conversation piece, so you can carry this as an actual bag. But did you know, just an FYI, Moschino also produced an actual pizza box. So I'm not really sure if Virgil is actually getting cues from Moschino or from Jeremy Scott. For this one, actually, I'll be honest, I would be saving my $2,000 US dollars. If I wanted to put something in my home as a decoration, then definitely you could save the $2,000 for a couple of years. Then you could upgrade to an actual Louis Vuitton small trunk, right? Rather than this one. So this one, it's a monogram. It's not classic. It still comes with the vachetta leather, although small. So for this one, definitely I'm rating it that's not. Alright, so how did you like our very first episode of That's Hot or That's Not? So hopefully you had fun, guys. I'm looking forward to be doing more of these bag reviews, so it would be more fun and more exciting. So again, guys, we do have differences on our opinions, so let's just be kind with each other. So if you want something for us to do a bag review soon, please do comment down below. Also, guys, among these quirky and very unique bags that we have discussed, both for the women's and the men's lines, which of these you think would do good, or in this conversation, which in your opinion are hot bags? So I would love to hear it. I would love to hear you out, guys. Please do comment down below. Alright, so before we end our episode today, let's do comment of the day. I would like to say thank you to Glam Vlogs by Rose. Thank you so much, Rose, for watching our Fendi shopping adventure. Super appreciate this one. I would see you on our next vlog. See ya! Again, guys, thank you so much for staying with me. So again, I'm inviting you to please join our growing family. So there is a cute little icon here, so click on that one so you can easily subscribe, and I would say welcome to our family. Also, guys, hit that notification bell so I have 2 vlogs every week, so every Wednesdays and every Saturdays. Also, give me the likes up for more videos like this. Please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirafy so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you, guys, for staying with me on this episode. Please do watch out. This weekend, we have a new and exciting episode. I will see you. Please do stay safe. Bye!